Hello, my name is Ashley Perkins, and we are here in St. Petersburg for the 2013 Magic Cup World Finals. Right here I have Team Confufish from Australia, so it's great to see another bunch of Australians here, such a long way from home.
As you said, it was a big trip.
It is. And so you've finished your presentations. We've got a few viewers at home who aren't familiar with your project. Do you want to just quickly explain what you've done?
So the basis of our project was how can we use computers to make life easier for food banks for different charities? And we've got a bunch of solutions around helping them coordinate themselves better, helping them see what food's available. And the thing that we're working on now is the ability for people at home to donate meals. And we've got a bunch of cool stuff. We're working with some big supermarkets to get that done. So that's in a few breaths the presentation.
That's really cool. And coming from the local finals where you were actually pretty, I guess you could say, from outside perspective, pretty much almost there, ready to ship. Looking that's been, what's it been, about 6 months now. What's sort of changed between then and now?
You know, it's amazing for software projects that almost ready to ship is still such a huge barrier for you to cross. And I think having the Imagine Cup, having the mentorship that Microsoft's given us and the different resources actually allowed us to get it into the wild, to get a trial, to get real people using it. Yeah. So that's what we've done since then. We've had actual users playing with the system, real food delivered, and we've seen the impact of it. So that's what we've been doing for the last 6 months, and it's because we had this competition to ramp up towards, which has just been fantastic.
That's great. And with the panel of judges which you have, there's across a wide number of different areas, including academia, the business, technological side. Were there some questions which, because obviously you've been preparing and rehearsing, but were there some questions which you didn't see coming, and you had to adapt and respond to those?
Yeah, I think with a project with so many different public faces, you expect a few questions that you just couldn't have prepared for. I think the question about testing was a bit out of field for the kind of judges we normally have.
Okay.
But I'm happy with the fact that we do have procedures in place to make sure that everything we do works, and we test that it works. So we were able to just, after a moment of figuring out who knew what needed to be said, we got it all out.
Cool. Because we've been working on this for so long, we know all the answers to it. It's just a matter of getting into words that the judges will take.
Cool. Well, look, you've got to head to the hands-on session, so we're going to let you go from here, and we'll probably catch up later. But so thank you.
Thanks.
And yeah, if you want to follow more of what we're doing for the social media team with the MSPs, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. Just follow the hashtags Imagine Cup or MSPSMT. And look forward to seeing you online next time.